So, when it comes to your resume, you need a document that showcases your relevant skills with measurable results. It needs to be in a professional and easy to read format, and crucially, it should speak to each specific job. Think of it as needing a custom key to open every door. But while tailoring your resume is essential, the initial step of even updating your resume can be time-consuming. What if AI could streamline both processes? First, helping you enhance your core resume, and then making it a breeze to tailor it for each unique opportunity. That's exactly what we're going to explore. Let's use Sage as an example. Let's say Sage has been working as a coffee shop barista and head server at a fine dining restaurant. Now, she wants to leverage the new skills she learned from the Google Project Management Certificate to apply for project management positions. But she needs to update her resume first. Here is Sage's existing resume. You'll notice that while she includes information on her previous experience, the format could be clearer, and it doesn't effectively highlight the skills and experiences relevant to project management roles. Sage has already identified her transferable skills and created a career identity statement, following the same steps that you've already taken so far. So now, let's explore how Gemini can help update her resume for a project management role. We'll ask for feedback on the resume's content and structure, and we'll add Sage's career identity statement for context. We can prompt Gemini with something like, provide comprehensive and actionable feedback on the attached resume to help me maximize my chances of success for roles in the project management field. Here is my career identity statement to help. Then I'll copy and paste the career identity statement that she developed in the initial phase of her job search plan. Gemini gives some suggestions for where Sage could start pivoting her resume from one focused on the customer service industry, her current field, to one that focuses on her desired field and project management. Gemini's feedback includes ways to align the resume more closely with Sage's career identity statement, as well as areas that she can rewrite to emphasize her transferable skills. It also provides text to show the advice in practice. So, let's say Sage reviews these suggestions and uses parts of it to help update her resume. Here's what the new version of her resume could look like. Thanks to Gemini's suggestions, Sage can call out her transferable skills in the summary of skills section. And there are now metrics to describe her work experience, which really brings those skills to life. Now Sage has a resume that's more aligned with her project management goals. But remember, this is the generic, untailored version of her resume. So it will still need to be adjusted for each specific job that Sage might be interested in. Since keywords vary between postings, this resume needs to be updated accordingly. So let's start a new chat with Gemini about how we can update a resume based on a job description, and as a reference, let's attach Sage's resume. We can prompt something like, please suggest ways I can update my resume to make me a top candidate for this job description. Then I'll paste the job description and make sure to attach the updated version of the resume we created. Check out Gemini's response. It breaks down the ways that Sage could tailor her resume to show better alignment with this specific role and why. Remember, while AI offers a powerful starting point, your resume should always be a reflection of your unique professional identity. Infuse it with your authentic voice to give employers a genuine sense of who you are. And of course, it should always be truthful. Here's one more pro tip. When you're creating your own tailored resumes, label or title each version of your resume, perhaps by including the name of the company you're applying to, and save all of those versions of your resume in your job search portfolio. This way, you can quickly access each version and make tweaks to your tailored resume for each new job you apply for. AI assistants can be a valuable resource when it comes to updating your resume. Now, the most important step, take your current resume, put these strategies into action, and see the difference for yourself.